The fans are ready, and so are the players.
That means it's time to drop the puck. Hello, everyone. Jim Houston here, along with Craig Simpson. Moved across. Oshie takes possession of the puck. McKinnon shoves Oshie. Carlson, Alexander Ovechkin grabs the puck. Landeskog shoots quickly. He scores!
A good wrist shot is hard to stop, and that was a good wrist shot.
This is not how you want to start the game.
Absolutely not. You never want the other team to think you're vulnerable.
And right now, that's just how they look. Backhand shot, blocked. Quick pass up. Into the attacking zone. Kerfoot backhands it. Saved by Holtby. Brings it out. Nemeth jumps on the loose puck. McKinnon gets pushed, played back. Diaz gets hold of the puck. Out over the blue line, passed ahead. The Capitals dump the puck in. Landeskog scoops it up. Working along the perimeter. Orlov gets checked. Ahead to the neutral zone. Alexander Ovechkin gets the loose puck. Varlamov made the pad save. Oshie, one-timer. Varlamov hits the post. Oshie. Niskanen with the puck. Brassard wipes out Buckstrom. Brassard scoops up the loose puck. He gets pushed.
He delivered a strong message.
Holtby stones him. Buckstrom gets laid out. Brassard gets hold of the puck. Holtby steals the pass. Played up. Carlson gets the loose puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Colorado. A penalty has been called. Nieto will go to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. That means 2 minutes in the box.
Colorado is down a man and looking to their players to hold on.
This squad needs to show some endurance. The next couple of minutes will be a big test.
Brings it out. McKinnon, wrist shot. Zadorov takes control of the puck. Ovechkin shoots. Colorado picks it up. Orlov shot it hard. Wilson stops the shot. McKinnon jumps on the loose puck. Orpik pushes Zadorov. McKinnon dumps the puck in. Colorado touches up for the icing call. The faceoff goes to Colorado. Blocked. Advances the puck. Landeskog now with the puck. Wilson grabbed it. Backhand. Varlamov gets a pad on it.
That save was a perfect display of how to play between the pipes.
Orpik with the puck. Kuznetsov. Right in front. Shoots the puck. He scores on the power play.
You've got to take advantage of your power play opportunities to be successful. They did just that.
Colorado has seen their lead disappear.
In a perfect world, you get the lead early and never give it up. That rarely happens.
Brassard. Heller takes control of the puck. Zadorov gets shoved.
Number 65.
Brassard takes possession of the puck. Holtby gets the blocker on it. Played back. Brassard shoots. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Zadorov jumps on the loose puck. Offside, Colorado. Washington finds it. Smith-Pelly gets checked. Out over the blue line. Connolly. Wrist shot from the right. Blocked. Quick pass up. Passed ahead. Turned over in the neutral zone. Played up. Johnson knocks the puck loose. Washington scooped it up. Calvert. Colorado takes possession. Jost has a breakaway. Holtby made the pad save.
Oh, he was in the zone for that one.
Soderberg with the puck. Backhanded shot. Pad over. Scores top shelf.
Nothing like a fat, juicy rebound to brighten your day. From the backhand to the back of the net in one smooth motion. Goalie had no chance on that shot.
Washington wants to keep it close as the period winds down.
Exactly. Starting the second period 1 goal down isn't too bad. Down by 2, now that would be tough. Time for the players to tape up their sticks, have a quick word with the coach, and get ready for the second period.
Display beside guest services. All proceeds go to hockey.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back.
We've got a close game brewing, so it should be a good one.
Miller won the faceoff. And it's icing against Washington. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Niskanen takes control of the puck. Ovechkin, he gets a hold of it. Oshie fires it. Johnson grabs it. Perry gets the shot off. Holtby stoned him cold. Perry jumps on the loose puck. Langerstar backhands it. Colorado with it now. With a one-timer. Saved by Holtby. Carlson grabs the puck. Washington in control now. Zadorov shoves Ovechkin.
Took a piece out of him there.
Line 3, get up there!
McKinnon pushes Orpik. Moved up. In front.
Line 4!
Advances the puck. Brings it out. In over the line. And Gitto gets pushed off the puck. Grabbed by Washington. Ahead to the neutral zone. Girard finds the loose puck. Diaz pushes him.
Line 4!
Girard grabs the puck. Yashkin. Diaz offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Washington. Wilson gets the loose puck. Kempney has his pocket pick. Moved ahead. Hagelin shoots it quickly. Yashkin gets in the way. Nemeth with the puck.
Line 2! Line 3!
Keller dumps it in on the end boards. Colorado grabbed it. Nieto. Wilson dumped it in. Jumped on by Washington. Orpik. Wilson grabbed it. Washington takes control.
Line 4!
Kerfoot
Line
corrals
5.
it. Soderberg now has it. Keller shoves him.
Great heads-up play by the defender.
Passed ahead. The Capitals dump the puck in. Colorado has it now.
Line 2!
Perry gets pushed. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Wilson grabs the puck. Carlson. Backhanded shot from along the boards. Girard got it. Vrana. Quick shot from the left. Leg save.
Gets the pad in there for the stop.
Passed ahead. Out over the blue line. The Avalanche dump the puck in. Langerskog gets it.
Line 4!
That's offside. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Vrana wins the draw.
Play in the second period.
Pad save. And Rigitto. Played back. Brassard fired it hard from the left.
How we could make our games more enjoyable for you, the fans? If so, we'd love to hear from you.
Welcome back for the third period.
It's time to turn up the pressure. In a game this close, you want to try to rattle your opponent.
Moved across. Connolly gets the loose puck. Smith-Pelly has it now. Washington finds it. Varlamov picks it off. Soderberg with a wrist shot. Kempney. Over the line. Smith-Pelly, wrist shot. He scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
Only have been seeing that one in his nightmares. They've given up a goal and lose the lead.
They've also lost the momentum. It'll be tougher to get it back as time runs down.
Landeskog takes possession of the puck. Rantanen gets laid out.
By number 10.
Archie McKinnon intercepts the pass. Carlson jumps on the loose puck. Cleared down the ice. That's icing. Brassard won the faceoff. Offside, Colorado. The action's about to start. Brassard wins the draw. And out they come with the puck. Cole gets hold of the puck. And Ricchito. Up along the boards, working along the perimeter. Played up. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Wilson. Pass back. Shoots the puck. Scores!
This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as the slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
Washington has scored the go-ahead goal.
The timing of this goal puts a lot of pressure on the opposition. Have to move fast to even things up.
Miller dumps the puck in. Cranks one. Turned away by Holtby.
What a save off the block.
Landeskog scores!
The top of the net's a lot harder to cover than the bottom. That's why most shooters go high.
Wow, what a wristery uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
Half a period to go, and we have a tie game.
And the condition of the ice isn't going to make handling the puck any easier.
Huckstrom fires! He scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
Colorado needs to tie the game and avoid getting scored on again.
And they need to do it in half a period. It's a tall order, Jeff.
Assisted by number 8, Alexander Ovechkin.
Icing is called against Colorado. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Moved up. Vrana scoops up the loose puck. Vrana, backhanded shot. Washington picked it up. He has his pocket pick. Brassard finds the loose puck. Over the line. And Ricchito with a chance to score. And Ricchito. Smith-Pelly picks it off. Cole touches up for the icing call. The puck is about to be dropped. Keller got it. Landeskog. Kempney jumps on it. Hagelin takes it. Through center. Passed ahead. Landeskog grabs the puck. He's been a brick wall in the net so far.
He's done everything but stand on his head. And the game's not over yet.
Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Over the blue line. Carlson. Door slammed shut by Varlamov. Johnson with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Quick pass up. Ovechkin scoops up the loose puck. Culver gets shoved. Carefoot grabs the puck. In over the line. Knocked him off the puck. Soderberg has it. Out of their defensive end. Wilson jumps on the loose puck. Burakovsky. Varlamov stabs at it. Passed ahead. Holtby intercepts the pass. Wilson. Varlamov has refused to allow a single goal.
With some goalies, the busier they are, the better they play.
Burakovsky dumps the puck in. Colorado picked it up. Out over the blue line. Moved up. Connolly finds the loose puck. Shoots quickly. Varlamov. Great save. Vrana takes control of the puck. And Ricchito. Varlamov is leaving the net.
Jim, they need numbers now. They need offense. There isn't much time to tie this thing up.
Holtby gets a leg on it.
He used the pads to make the save.
McKinnon. And Ricchito gets the loose puck.
Joe, the defenders are closing in.
McKinnon, one-time shot. Holtby closes the door. Burakovsky takes possession of the puck. McKinnon. Washington scooped it up. Connolly with a wrist shot. Empty netter.
The icing on the cake in this one. They took their chance, but came up empty this time.
Colorado can feel this one starting to slip away from them.
It slipped all right. 2 goals down inside a minute to play.
That's it. This one's over. Colorado suffers a loss.
Their passing was really off in tonight's contest.
They just weren't able to hit the open man, and it cost them the game.
Tonight's third star, Washington number 10, Brett Connolly. Tonight's second star for Washington number 92, Evgeny Kuznetsov.
From Washington, D.C., I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. For EA Sports, goodbye.
See you next time.